Hey guys, welcome. I just want to give you a quick update before we jump into this vlog. So I've got some vlog footage from the Tucson Gem Shows. The Tucson Gem Shows are the world's largest gem shows. If you are into rocks, crystals, minerals, Tucson during January and February is the place to be of the entire world. This is where it all goes on. You get to see all the new material that's come out from that year or previous years. Anything that is new and exciting in the gem show world is happening here during January and February, which is coming up real soon because right now as I'm filming this, it's November. I'm so excited. So we're like 2 months away before everything kicks off. It is my favorite time of the year. It's my favorite event of the year, I should say. You know, when the gem shows are here, it's paradise. It's paradise. So I love it. And if you're into rocks and minerals, it's definitely worth coming here and just having fun. Even if you are not a business, if you are just, you know, passionate about them and you're a hobbyist, there's plenty of shows here that go on. They're open to the public. And then there's some shows that are wholesale only. And you have to have a business related to the gem and mineral industry to be able to get into those shows. So we go to all the shows. And when you come to the gem shows, not only do you get the opportunity to see some of the most spectacular crystals in the entire world, you know, museum quality pieces, you also get to connect with all of the people that work so hard all year to bring these minerals to the show. You get the opportunity to meet all of these amazing people from around the world, all of these people that also share your passion and excitement and life purpose for working with these gemstones. It's just an incredible energy. You can feel like the vibes, you can feel the energy. It's like this frequency that is unmatched when you're surrounded by crystals and all of these awesome people from all over the world, and you're all descending in this one area and connecting with each other and the stones, and it's awesome. Also, what I love about the Tucson Gem Shows is there's a niche for everyone. Whatever your thing is, whatever you're into, you'll find it here, most likely. If you can't find it here, well, someone here will hook you up with someone who has it, wherever that thing comes from. Okay, let's jump into the vlog. Again, this footage that you're gonna see is from this year's gem show, and this next year's gem show is gonna be coming up. We're only 2 months out from it, so it's also gonna serve as excitement to get us all ready and raring to go for this next gem show coming up. All right, I love you guys, and let's jump into the video.
Ooh, wow, look at that one. Kobzeff amethyst and Chibuku mine.
Oh, on the other
nice.
side, I grabbed their biggest here and there.
Oh yeah, look at the
That looks
horn.
cool. And then, yeah,
From Nigeria.
Some of these,
Look at their collection of
fluorites
fluorites
here.
How pretty are
Oh, really?
those?
Yeah.
Like just top.
Which one is your favorite, Michael? The one in the very back? Yeah, that's
Was
super
it?
I think they
nice.
know each other.
Okay.
Oh, how much is
Yeah, I
that?
gave him some other info for Dave
4,000?
Magnant and Pat Benson.
That's from
So I got-
Illinois. Fluorite grows just beautifully. The formation of it is really neat.
He had a middleman, one for me, one for me from
What is it, fire
building here,
agate
but
opal?
everyone
Fire
I've
agate.
seen is
Yeah.
Yeah, now that
way down
is something.
there last night and
Those are
this morning.
spectacular
Yeah.
pieces there.
Look at
So I
that
know
watermelon
he's on the
tourmaline
lookout,
is
but I'm just not
so
sure
like
where-
it's so
where his price
clear
range
and
is.
This is
dreamy.
a tourmaline from Nevada?
Type of thing.
I didn't even know
Totally.
it existed.
Got us some room on it, so
So,
he's purple
Look
cap,
at the size of that fluorite. Oh my gosh. If I can just show you guys the size, like it is huge. So that's from Kobzeff Mountains, Brandberg area in Namibia. But look at the color in there. Ooh, that's got a lot of life in there. Oh wow, look at the color of that. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. All right guys, we're at the Red Lion show, the GIGM. Oh yeah, look at the amethyst and the citrine. Oh, this is one of my favorite booths here, the Himalayan quartz. Ooh, that one is so sparkly. Look at that, and the size of these pieces are amazing. Like, look how big that is. Look at that one. Oh my gosh. What do you think, Michael? You think that's a few thousand there?
yeah. I mean, imagine what it would take to hump this out of by hand.
I know,
You
it's
can't
all
even
from
use
the
a mule,
Himalayas. Like, that's amazing. Look at the clarity on that too. Beautiful.
Well, I'll tell you what.
Ah.
Wow. That's amazing.
Okay, we've got a lot of ground to cover today, so we're gonna have to keep on moving here. Ooh, wow, the clarity on that is stunning too.
And then we'll come right back and see
tourmaline.
The biggest chunk I've seen. How many? Is that a kilo, you think, or more? Really?
So we're looking at Libyan desert glass right now. That is a big chunk. All right, here you go. If you guys are looking for Libyan desert glass, right on. Thank you so much for showing us that. Can I check out your smaller pieces again too?
Sure, yeah.
He's got smaller pieces too that are really beautiful. Ooh, look at that one. Oh, if you clean this one up really nicely, that would be beautiful. That's a really nice piece there.
Yeah, I got my little pressure washer and clean it off.
Quick detour, we gotta stop at La Chaiteria. This is part of Tumerico's restaurant chain. Okay, I'm hoping for Cuban tacos and a chai. Wendy back there.
Savage. Slanging it.
Yeah, Wendy's back there working. Cuban tacos is one of our favorite things to order at Tumerico's or La Chaiteria where we are now. And we got a couple of chais that are going to be coming too, but really, really good. I mean, Wendy makes the best tacos. Looking at Libyan desert glass, look at these gorgeous pieces. Ooh, look at the texture on that. Oh, that one's got the dark. Look at the striations in there. That one's got the hole in it too.
That is the one you should get, because look, it's got the color and it's got the hole. I mean,
That's pretty nice. Yeah, he's got them separated out really nicely too. So ones with holes, the larger pieces, smaller Jimmy pieces. He's got, oh, look at that. There's pallasites up here. Pallasite meteorites.
So he comes in, he doesn't need to look.
oh, here's a belenite.
First came out.
Look at that. That's the one you had, the pyrite,
Oh yeah.
fossilized. So pseudomorph, is that it? The pyrite.
Is it pseudomorphic?
Grown belemnite fossil.
Okay.
And are these the prophecy stones from Egypt? Or what are these?
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, it's goethite, pseudomorph after pyrite, and markazite, and
What are some of your favorite pieces that you have in your collection?
well, I think I like that one because it's round, complete stalactite slice of it.
Oh, it's
Oh.
Seraphinite, completed.
So these are found in caves then? Is that?
It was a cavity about
Oh.
that room size, and they opened few cavities like that for like 40 years of mining. It's a huge operations there.
What kind? What were they mining there?
Iron, it's magnetite
Okay.
as an iron ore.
Right,
Sometimes heating that chloride bodies with, and it's usually like potryoidal like that.
Oh yeah.
But sometimes
That's
you
incredible.
can get
Yeah.
quite.
We're at the 22nd Street Gem Show. Oh, look at the aquarium courts. It's so much fun looking at all the gems and murals.
Kind of a madhouse.
I know, it's really busy. Michael's got his flat amber. And this isn't Baltic amber though. This is the blue amber from Indonesia.
Yeah, so if you're at the gym show and you ever see these bottles, look at that. Oh, wow.
Yeah, you
that
got
comes
some
up on
clarity in
camera.
there.
Those are really glow. Oh, there it goes. And that's from where? Indonesia?
Indonesia, yeah. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, but we are at Kino right now. There's just so much to look at. You kind of got to just narrow it down and go after your priorities. We're at a lovely Brazilian booth right now, and look at these gorgeous quartz. They've got citrine mixed in here. It's so pretty all in the sunlight too. Everything is sparkling. Oh, and they've got the spheres. Beautiful. Ooh, look at this one. 120. That one is so neat though. I love the ones where you can look inside and see the inclusions.
I want to show you these
Gorgeous.
Super 7 pendants are absolutely awesome.
Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty.
These are from
Look at
Brazil
these.
too?
Yeah.
Super 7? Yeah.
Yeah, this stuff I got like 15 years ago.
Oh,
Yeah, they don't have it anymore. It's I had some rough and I've been cutting over time.
Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful heart. It's got the angel aura finish. So beautiful. Look at that piece. Agatized coral, fossilized coral. What is the difference?
Agatized.
Agatized.
Fossilized looks like that stuff from Indonesia. So
Agatized is
better, yeah.
druzy, or ours has druzy anyway.
Yeah, I like that better.
All right, let's come down this way. We've got lots of amethyst. Ooh, I love when the amethyst has other crystals, especially when it's like a specimen piece, you know. Oh, the cathedrals. Those are always gorgeous. Ooh, look at that one. Very nice.
You've never even owned one, have you?
I've never owned one. They look good. Like, how much do we have a price, for example, or they got them marked with a code or something, huh?
Yeah, I think they're marked codes, so maybe it's by kilo or whatever.
It's just so fun. Like, even if you're not buying the big pieces, it's just fun to come look at them, you know? Look at this rose quartz bowl. That one is $1,400. It's pretty. It looks like they've sold a ton. Well, literally. They've literally been selling tons.
Yeah. I wonder how many tons they sell. There's got to be a couple trailers.
Ooh, there's another rose quartz bowl. $2,400. So pretty. Yes, the pink amethyst. It has such gorgeous color combinations. I mean, look at that. I mean, if you like the really feminine colors, you know. I love those lavenders and peaches and pinks together. That's so neat. And these would be like having art pieces in your house, you know. Good morning, guys. We're at Kino this morning. It's windy. I'm gonna have to try my best to protect the microphone so it doesn't blow too loudly. Everyone's shopping already. Let's go check it out. Okay, it might be hard to see what we're doing here, you guys, but we are picking out zebra rock right now. Extremely hard to get a hold of this stuff. It's from Australia, and it's in the Kimberley, and I guess the mine is flooded right now. And to begin with, this stuff is already expensive just to get the rough for them. But we're finally able to come across some small pieces. I do have some other pieces at home, but this will be nice to have some smaller pieces for the website. Yeah. So Michael's just spraying it, kind of washing it off so you can see the pattern. Yeah, really nice. So they're weighing out the zebra rock. Michael's looking at peanut wood.
Well, yeah, I mean, you know what?
Such cool pieces. I'm so excited. Found it.
Into the show.
So we're looking at the jasper he has here. Look at the patterns on there. I love the earth tones. Yeah, they've got some really cool pieces here. And then slabs.
The diamonds are rough, so when they saw across it, it's imagine sandpaper just making that smooth surface rough. And then people buy them and they mark them out like these marks. So this one was marked for stones, like somebody thought, hey, I'll make a beautiful stone here. See the beautiful plumes? So when it's wet, you can go, oh, I see these little plume trees right here, and that would be pretty for me. So they mark them just kind of how somebody marked this side saying, oh, that would make a nice cabochon. Or, so as you take these stones and you look at them, you decide, hey, I want a stone out of them. It would be counterproductive to polish this whole stone and then have it all ground back out just to repolish it, because that would raise the price of the stone. This way people can look at it and they can say, hey, I love this whole piece. Maybe they want a whole beautiful piece like this and they just want to polish it. Then they would polish the slab flat and put it on a stand, maybe put it in the curio cabinet because they love the whole piece, everything about it. So we just don't know what people are going to do with these slabs, and so we have to leave them in the most rough form, and then people can decide, and then we can make them either into cabs for them or they can do it themselves. So we take the rough rock, so this would be considered a rough rock here. So we might take this rough rock and we'll look at it and we'll say, oh, yeah, let's put this in a saw and we'll cut this to get all these little tree things along here. So we'll cut it, and when it comes up into these kind of shapes on the rough, we look for that and we say, well, maybe that maybe there's a certain way we'd want to cut that. Maybe we want to cut it this way to try to get this pattern. So this is a rough rock. So we slice it into these slices. Once we get these slices, we mark them out like that piece. Then we'll make them into cabochons like these. And these are all cabochons that are cut out of from slabs. And then we take these pieces and jewelers set them in their jewelry. They make their own art around the stones. Do that whole process. We take the rough piece, slice it, make cabochons, and we sell it in jewelry. So we can do anything, any of those steps people want us to do. Yeah, cool stuff. I'm glad you're out here. You're out here looking at all this fun stuff.
Look at that.
A lot of work, but a lot of fun.
Where is this one from?
These are from that's
Oh,
1800.
look at the
These
Bisbee
are from
Chrysocolla.
different mines. I mean, not mines. These are found out near the Four Corners area of Colorado, Utah, Nevada. And which one did I forget? Utah, Arizona, Colorado, and Utah, Nevada, Arizona, Colorado. That's it. Yeah, this little piece right here is a thermophycon. That one's $1,800 for that one.
Wow.
It's these polished here? And those are polished. Those are two little baby Hermes. You guys, they're really pretty ones. Some of the prettiest ones.
Oh yeah, look at the pattern in there.
Isn't that cool?
Rare Rock Shop. So that's where we just came out of. They do all their own work in there. Really cool selection of stones and jaspers.
What's the quote?
All right, guys. So we're looking at the pink amethyst. And there's quite a variety of the pink amethyst. But you know, amethyst is quartz, so pink quartz, but it's got a variety of other, I don't know, would you call it matrix? Or, because it's very swirly. It's got a lot going on to it besides just the quartz crystal, you know?
Yeah, that one's got the purple and the pink. You should get that one.
I love the really pale pastel crystals. They're so citrusy looking, right? So sunny and citrusy. It's like pink grapefruit. Oh, look at that one. Oh, that one's definitely got the juicy grapefruit action going on in those crystals. And they've got them on nice display stands, so it's really easy to display your piece. They got some big slabs down here. I like the ones that have a cleaner color and less of the gray. Of course, everything is, you know, up to the beauty is in the eye of the beholder, though.
All right, guys, I'll let you go, and I've got some mineral organizing to do with my own collection. So I've got to get on that. I've got a bunch of tektites back there that I need sorting out. So, all right, I love you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.